Did he get a brushing?
He got a bath last night and a brushing this morning.
You're the only dog I know that gets beautified before going to the vet. He gets neutered today. Shh, don't say it.
Tutored.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
Finn.
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 He does not know his name.
Finn.
Come on.
Come on, buddy. Oh, Dad's such a good. Come here. Come here, Dad is such a good boy. You ready?
You ready? Let's go, little boy.
You're still gonna be macho, remember.
You're the dude. You'll always be the dude. All right, we're at La Fonda. And last time I was here, I said I'm going to get just the salad and the ribs. And that's fried zucchini. Yeah, I did it. I can't believe it. Good morning. It's time for a smoothie. Yeah. So I do smoothies differently all the time, just depending on what kind of mood I'm in. But my base is usually always yogurt and blueberries. And then today I'm going to add some spinach and strawberries. So just frozen blueberries, strawberries, crunchy peanut butter, protein powder, and in mine I'm going to add some chia seeds after the fact. So let's get started. Just a few strawberries, maybe. These are whole, so how about 4? 4. Some peanut butter. I have creamy almond butter here too that I need to use up. I got it dated September 25, but I'm going to finish this peanut butter and then I'm going to start on the creamy almond butter. I just do a spoonful. Yogurt. And then, I want that. Spinach. I need to use up the spinach, so let's put a whole lot in there. Protein powder. Ice, water, and spin, and spin. So I gotta plug you in and just spin.
Are you feeling better? Yeah? Oh, good. You're a silly puppy. Yes, you are. You're a silly puppy. Oh, gosh. Oh, you can't... you can't bite me. Oh, gosh.
Oh.
Here he goes again, I promise. Okay. Oh, gosh. I'm glad you're feeling better. Did you get choked? Oh, gosh.
Good morning. Well, I think I already said that. We had smoothies for breakfast. And now I'm going on a little road trip, about an hour from here. I'm headed to Roswell. I need to go to Petco. There's nowhere around here that has like the soft collars for Finn. So Petco has soft collars. We're gonna look at a little jumper so we won't have to wear the collar part, so we won't lick. So, and I guess I should preface all this with Finn was neutered yesterday, Thursday, and so today I'm gonna head to Roswell, make a day outing, going to Petco, and then I'll probably eat in Roswell, eat lunch, and I have a pickup for myself and Deborah at 2. So it is a day of running around, and it's gonna be a nice little drive. It's not very far, so just gonna see what we can get into. Get some, maybe find some toys for Finn too while I'm there. And I think Sammy has enough of those pizza toys, but every time I've gone to, no, that was PetSmart in Yuma. So Petco doesn't carry the ones that I get Sammy. So anyway, about to get on the highway, so I will see y'all when I'm in Petco. Okay, I made it to Petco. We're gonna go in here and see if we can find some toys, some chew thingies, some soft cones. I'll just go see what we can see what we can find. Alright, got a basket full. Let's go look at the birds. So one fun fact is I used to raise birds, and I'll show you. I had a macaw, but it wasn't that one. That's a scarlet macaw. And I had a Genday conure, which is that one over there. And this one looks like a sun conure. Yep. Sun conure, $1,299. Hi. Sun conure is just like a Genday conure. This is a green cheek conure. He's cheaper, $7.99. Hi. Hi. Alright, let's go around like the other side. Oh, what's that? Quaker. $899, 50% off. Oh, that's a special Quaker. I raised Quakers. I think I only sold them for like $80. Alright, let's go around and look. Here's a pet bar. Cockatiel. $3.99 for a cockatiel. Whoa. Wow. $63 for zebra finches. Oh my gosh. Inflation. Wow. Can't believe $400 for just a regular cockatiel. That's crazy. Alright, I'm done. Let's go. Okay, that was fun. It's always fun buying for a new dog. 9-year-old dog. I bought Sammy some a toothbrush and toothpaste. Her little teeth are getting, or she needs them brushed. And I bought her a few little treats and some more dehydrated, well, these are beef liver treats. So she got some stuff too. But bought a bunch of stuff for Finn, so that was fun. And now it's 12:42 and I am in close proximity of Panda Express. So I think I've already driven all the way through town. I'm on the edge of town close to Panda Express, so it's not far from here. I'm thinking. So I think I'm gonna head over there and just get me a single I don't know, Kung Pao, or I don't know. We'll see when I get it. Let's go to Panda. Well, that's something I hadn't seen in a long time. A Spencer's, and it's not in a mall. Is everybody familiar with the Spencer's? Are there some that aren't? Yeah, I hadn't been into one of those in a very long time. Yeah, that's a weird angle now too, huh? I can't put my phone somewhere that it's the struggles. Alright, I got me a bowl, meaning one entree. So I got something different. It was called peppered beef, sirloin beef. Y'all ever had that one? It has a premium cost to it. What, add $1.50 or whatever. But the calories was really, really low. So yeah, I'm kind of trying to watch how much I'm eating. That's good. Can you see it? That was a mushroom. So I'm not really sure how they cook this chicken. So I used to, back in the day, get the Beijing beef, and it's kind of battered and fried, I guess. This is just cooked in a wok. It's sirloin, so it's going to be tougher, but the taste is pretty good. I'm pretty picky about my beef, so it's okay. It's like beef tips. Mushrooms are good. What else do they have? They have this broccoli. That's pretty good. I don't know that I would get it again. But anyway, I'm gonna go eat. Okay, I'm here at Walmart. Just got my pickup order. That was them. They delivered my pickup order. So I am gonna stop at Domino's. Deborah's ordering a pizza for her. I ate Panda, so I'm gonna stop, grab her a pizza on the way, and get the heck home. That's it. It's been a long afternoon already. And then see if I can get this video uploaded and scheduled for today. Alright, I'm at Domino's. Let's pick up a pizza and then head home. You know, I gotta look. It says icing, so I bet that's... What is this? Ooh! Yum! Cinnamon. Hurry up, close it up. Some kind of cinnamon stick thingies. Oh, let's see what this is. Yum. That looks good. I wish there was a little bitty piece. Well, that's why I put my water bottle in this tray. Because it fell over. And don't know why the lid came unscrewed. It had this whole roll of paper towels in there, too. Oh, well. I was going to get a pizza.